Hong Kong iced tea. Not bad. Let's try
You're not
it.
gonna put a syrup?
Let's try it without this. They have egg in it. Nah. It's all about hype.
Maybe you put the right one.
It's just carby. You think it is sweet, it's just carby. Like, really buttery. I don't like it. So I'm sharing food with the missus now, which is like chicken curry with potatoes. Baked fried, yeah. But I gotta say, this is one of the best curries I've had. Crazy, man. Like the rice tastes different. It's like buttery, there's some crisp on it. That is mad. When it comes to food, I think Hong Kong is a beast mode.
Fancy. Oh, wow. Oh, thank you. Yeah.
Pineapple one, yeah. Let's see the hype.
Big one. I don't like it.
Just warm bread with butter, man.
You're not trying.
Classic hard.